Hello and Assalamu alaikum. So we are live now. So today we will let me check again. I think I am live. Yes, I am live. So today we will start to building this Twitter clone. We can say Twitter 2.0 in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then in it will depend on the time. We will convert this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript version to ReactJS and Vuejs. So we will try to cover all of three stacks. So let's start. It will be, you can say it will be totally from scratch. No, I didn't build it now. So I will start working on this project with you. So you can you guys can know how we make mistakes. So you can also learn from our mistakes and how to use things properly. So let's start building. I can go to the development folder, live streamings, and I can create the projects, HTML, CSS, and JS projects. And I think I should create another one, Twitter 2.0, and let's open this in VS Code. Yes, I trust. And let me create one file, index.html. By the way, let me check on mobile. Is it everything okay in the live stream? So I can check my voice. So because I see no one is watching now, so that's why I'm trying to is everything okay or not. Is everything okay? Can I see the voice accurately? Is everything okay? Can I see the voice accurately? Yes, everything is okay. So let's start building the thing. Index.html file and simple basic setup. Twitter 2.0 h1 hello world, Twitter world. So let's go to the live. Yes, it's working. And if I see the font size, what is the font family we are using here? So it's what its name, it's called Helvetica Neo. So I hope so we will be able to find this on Google Fonts. Google Fonts. I can copy that and let's go to the Google. No, I think we don't have. So for now I think we can use anyone, then later we will fix that. Poppins for now, the we can say the global font. Everyone use that, Poppins, and we can select that font family. The extra light we don't need. We need light, we need regular, and we need medium, and we need semi bold, and we need bold. So let's see how we can use this. Import, we can use this thing. Let's create the style css file, style.css, and we can paste here, and then we can say Google font family, and padding 0, because if we see by default we have paddings and margin, so that's why we are trying to remove them. Margin 0, and box sizing, border box, and then this font family stuff. If we see it should change, it is not changing. Why? Because we didn't link the CSS file. Link CSS. Yes, now it's working. So now let's move to the this thing. Now if I see the design, by seeing the design I can see we should have kind of three main things. One is the sidebar, and another is the main content, and another thing is another sidebar. So there should be three, main, we can say div, and then we should have a side with class side nav, then we should have another main, and then we should have another aside with right nav. So we have three of them, and we can class, these are center, we can say container. I think that's it. Let me set up the basic style for them. Basic style, I can say left nav, main, and then I can say right nav. So let's style that thing. I can go to the style CSS file, and I can say, by the way, I have to see another thing. What's the basic font size? I think it's the 16 pixel, the minimum one. I think it should be 16 pixels. So body font size 16 pixel, and line height should be 1.25. So that's it. And now I think in order to style this, let's copy the container. I think I should what's the maximum width of design? It's 1448, and I can see the thing. What's exactly the 221, what's this 346. By the way, if we check the 116 and 112, almost the same, we can 116 112. So we can say that it's the maximum width is 14. Calculate 40 pixel minus 116 multiplied by 2, we can say 232 pixels, and width should be 100%, and margin should be auto. If we see closely, now it should be, no, it's not centered. Why is that? 1440 pixel. Now it's centered, and we can also say, what is the background color for this, the whole thing? If we see, yes, that's it. I think we should create the variable, so in future if we want to change the colors, so we will be able to that. We can say that body bg, yes, body bg color is this. So we can say background color should be body bg. Yes, now that's changed, and the what's the color is our main color is, it should be white. Yes, it's white, so we can say that text color, it should be simply white. So no, it should not be white, we can say text E1 color. It means text one color, because we have, we can say different colors as well, so it should be like that. So, and color should be by default for everything should be text one. So it should change now. Yes, now we want 3 child, so I will use the flex. We can also use the grid, but for now I'm using the flex things. We can say display flex and justify content should be space between. Yes, we have that thing. Now I will try to assign the each of them the width. So in order to do that, I should say container no side side nav. In order, instead of side nav, I should say left nav. Yes, left nav. So we have kind of consistency name, left nav, flex. What was the width, exactly width of that thing? If I see, I calculated that kind of 220 pixel, I can say 230, and what it's the bigger one, so I can say 230 for that. Flex 0 0 230 pixel, maximum width should be 230 pixel, width should be 100. So and in order to clearly identify, I can simply just assign, so we can observe that background color should be red. Why it's not saving? Yeah, that's the thing. Yes, that's the thing. We have now for man, we can ignore the main thing for now, and also the 44 30 30 we can give the spaces as well. I can say not 230 pixel, I should say calculate 230 pixel minus 20 pixel, 240 pixel minus 20 pixel, 250. Yes, because after removing 20 pixel, we will have 230 pixel. Why I am adding this minus 20 pixel? So we can have the margin, this margin, and this from this side and from this side. So now we can also assign this space to the right nav as well, right nav, and it should be 370 pixel, 370 pixel. Yes, that's it. Now we have the main thing, and we will say main, and we can say flex 0 0 calculate. I can say, if I say 1, simply 1, let's see how it will look like. Background yellow. Yes, it will cover all of the things, but that's not the case in our, because we want some kind of margin from outside. So we will say flex 0 0, we will say calculate 100% minus 230 minus 250 pixels minus 370 pixel, and same for maximum width we'll copy that. Now we will have this kind of behavior. Now let's start the real thing. Start building the left nav. We can say left nav. We have side nav, and if I observe closely, kind of links I have. So I can say I have nav, and then within the nav I should have kind of list. So I will say links. In first I have logo, so I will say home, and I will only assign the icons. So I can copy that, copy as svg. I will say span icon, and I will copy that thing. And now in bottom part I will say home. I have this thing, I can copy that, copy as svg. Icon we have, and then we have text, so I will say span dot text. We have home, we can copy that from here. By the way, if anyone is watching, let me know. Just 3 of them please. I will say yes, if you are watching, please say hello to me, so I can see if you are watching, with conscious mind, not just and then we can go to the home. Then we have another things, the explore. We can copy that as well. Why it's not? Yes, now we can copy that. Oh, it should be like that. We can copy all of them. Now the logo thing, now we have home, and this svg, it should be like that. Copy as svg, and we can say, and then we have explore text, explore. Then we have notifications, yes, bell icon, copy as svg. Then we have notifications text, we can copy that, and then we can say notifications. Then we have message svg, copy as svg. And then we have messages. Then we have this bookmarks, copy as svg. Bookmarks. And then we have the list thing, copy as svg, and we can say lists. We have 2 of them remaining, so I can say 1 and 2. Now the other one is profile, copy as svg. Copy as svg, and then we will have profile. Then we will have more, we can copy that, and then we will have more. Now let's see the preview. Yes, we have a lot of list of links. Let me remove these background colors for this one and for this one, for this one as well, so we can see clearly things. By the way, anyone is here? No one is here. I think I am facing some kind of error. Please let me know if stream is okay or not, so I can fix this thing. Let me know. So let's try this thing. We can close all of them links. First of all, I will say we have left navbar. I can say links, and if I see them correctly, links, and then we have list of A's. I will say links A, display, inline block. It should be display flags. Yes, they are accurate. By the way, I have to set the margin as well. No margin, I think just the small padding. If I see the top padding, I can say uh, links. I don't think that we need that, we can see later. And the margin should be, if I see the margin from the top, it's almost 35 pixel margin. Margin bottom 30 pixel. We can say padding 10 pixel top to bottom and 0 pixel from left, and we can say 5 pixel from left to right, and oh, margin is too much. I think I should be 20 pixel. Still, if I say the background color, background should be, if I see that, let me change the colors, font size. Let me first style this thing, the then we will be able to, hover. See now, yes, for now we can continue with this. We can also should say align items should be center. Yes, now if we see these are center, and now I want to change this text color, so I will say links A and then text, this pen one. Yes, and then we should style the icon one. We should say display flex, justify content, it should be center, and align items should be center, and we should say margin left, it should be 15 pixel. Yes, now if we see all of them are centered. Another thing I should remove from the top, I should say text decoration should be none. Yes, and should be this. Yes. No one is currently as well. Please let me know if you see any kind of issues within this team, so I will fix that. For now I am assuming everything is okay. So now we have this kind of behavior. Now let me remove the the background color of this thing, the links. If I say this, yes, now it's looking very nice. I can see that. By the way, but it I should add the hover effect. So I will say transition transition 0.3 second, 3 second, and whenever I hover on links whenever I hover on that, the background color should be kind of this stuff. So I can copy that. First of all, I should create the CSS variable. For that I can say primary color. Yes, and I should say background should be, oh sorry, primary color. So if I, yes, but it should not be like that. It should be there should be some kind of border radius as well. So I can say border radius should be 20 pixel. I think padding should be more. Instead of adding the margin, I can increase the padding. Now it's too much. 15 pixel. Again it's too much. Maybe it's because of this thing. The border radius is not looking okay to me, but if I say 10 pixel, yes, I think that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Yes. If I think here it should not be the the hover color. So I will say links a, if it's the first child, then on hover background should be transparent. Yes. Now our side nav bar is almost complete, but I think I should add, yes, we can add that thing. Your border radius 100 pixel, let me try that thing. So it should be consistent enough. So if I add that, let me check now. Yes, it's looking good. Yes, now we should add this button as well. On the links I should add button btn tweet button, tweet btn tweet. By the way, this btn class will be general class, so that's why I did that. So let me copy that, and here I should add some kind general classes, because for all of the button I will implement this style. The button should be display flex, it should be justify content, should be center, it should be align item center, and then width 100%, and the transition 0.3 second. I think that's enough. Now if we see, this is how it will look like. So let me style that thing. I have nav btn, and then I should say the height, how much height, 50 pixel, and width is 211 pixel. So I should say maximum width is how much, 211 pixel, 211 pixel, and height should be 50 pixel. Yeah, we can see height is increased. Another thing I totally forgot to, by default border should be none, uh, outline should be none, and box shadow should be none. So this is how it will look like. We should add another thing, cursor should be pointer. So we have this thing. Now the other thing I should add in the button, it will be background color. Background color should be the primary one. Color should be I think it's the default white, so we don't need to add that. And border radius is let me copy the text styles. I should copy the font size and these things. I should say this, and then I should say background, we have border radius. Border radius, it's 100 pixel. Let's see the behavior. Yes, we have on hover, we should add the color should be transparent. I should say hover background transparent. Let's see. Yes, there should be one border 2 pixel solid, its primary color. We can copy that thing from here. So whenever we are hovering, yes, it's looking nice. Now let's move to the, I think first we will create this nav bar, the right nav bar, and then we should by the way, anyone is watching and saying something? No one is saying. Please let me know if everything is okay. I think no one is watching right now, but if in future, yes, no one is watching, but no problem, we will bear that. So let's start this right nav bar. Right nav bar is starting from this thing. So how we can create this thing? We have icon, and then we have input as well. So I think I should try the form and display flex thing. Let me try the thing I have in my mind. On top of that, first of all, I should create the form. Form, there should be form, some kind of form, and within the form we have two childs. What should be span icon, and we can copy that, copy as svg, and then we have input. So I should say input. The placeholder is search Twitter inspect. We can copy that, and placeholder should be this thing. If I preview that thing, how it will look like? Yes, that's how it is looking. So first of all, I think I should copy all of them, and then we can go. How much can we, for now, can we export that thing. If I preview this thing, uh, it's the group of, no, it's not like that. If I see that thing, preview, no, nothing is here, so I can just download. We can add any images. So for now I will add according to the design these images. So let me preview that thing and export. I can export that thing. Downloads, here it is. I can say right nav one. I can copy, cut that, and Twitter 2.0 I should create one folder, image, and then I should paste them here. I should paste it. So that's how it will work. We have the form on, then we have image. I can say what should I say, the image container, simple image container. We have image, and right nav. We have this, it should be here. Yes, it's here. We can style that thing later. Now you might like that. That's the folder. What should be the name of it? You might like suggestions. We can say yes, suggestions. Yes, this name should be suggestions. Yes, suggestions. And we can say we have heading, suggestions, and heading, suggestions, and then we have title. You might like that. Inspect, we can copy this text, and then we have suggestion 1. We can say that, we can say suggestion, single suggestion, or suggestion 1. Then we have image, and we can say we can divide them. If I see them closely, we can divide them into two childs, right? First one is author, or the person, and then the follow button. I can say suggestion 1 and details. Yes, person, details. I should say one is the image container. This should be one is, and another one is follow. Now we have two of them, and within the we have another two. So I will say image, container. We have, I should download this image as well. Preview, and I should import that thing. Downloads, I should say this one, it should be suggestion. We can cut that, we can place that in the here, and now we will come here, image and suggestion. Now we have that thing, and then we should say the other things, the name, and these types of it should be like another div, right? And then we can say we have name, inspect, it should be like a display kind of name, and then here at 6 it should be name, and then this pen icon if it's present, because if we see in the list here we don't have here, but on sometimes we have, because it's if it's verified then this icon should be present. So that's why we can copy as svd, yes, icon. Here we have name, and then in the bottom we have this behavior. We can say username, and then we have promoted batch. So I should copy this icon first. I should say promoted span icon, and then I should add this text, span text. Yes, now we have, now this the follow button. I should copy this text. I should add button follow btn, follow btn. Yes, if I see, yes, we have all kind of this stuff. We can style that thing later. I think I should style once this is done. Show more, so I can add another thing, the footer thing. Yes. Yes, suggestions, we have title, we have single suggestion, and then we should add div for footer. We should add here this thing. If we see, yes, we have this kind of all of the behavior. By the way, anyone is here? No one is still, please, no one is concurrently watching, but no problem, but just let me know if you are leaving the live stream because of some issues. Please let me know so I can fix them. It's the request, and also it's you can say it's my first time, so please let me know. So we can style that thing. Start from the top. If I see from the top I have padding from the top, so I first of all I should target that right nav. I should say should close all of them. I should say right nav. Now I have right nav and padding. It should be 7 pixel top and bottom, and 0 pixel from here, and then it should be kind of 10 pixel from other sides as well. So in order to style this, I think I should add form and display flex, and then right nav, form, display flex, align items should be center, and we have this behavior on form, so I will say this width and this thing, whole thing. So I should add maximum width should be 100%, maximum width the width should be 100%, width should be 100%, and background color should be this. So dark one, this background should be dark one, dark one. I'm adding that because, you know, in future maybe we add the light mode as well, so it will be so easy to, if we are using the background colors, the CSS variable. So that's why I'm adding that. arc 1. Yes, we should add the height as well. What's the height of this? It's the 40 pixel. Height is 40 pixel. Yes, now I should add this thing, the I can see 12, 16 from the bottom, how much it has, 12, 12 and 17. So in right nav I have form, and then I have span, and within the I have icon. So I should add padding. Top and bottom should be 12 pixel, and right and left should be 17 pixel. Yes, it's looking nice. Yes, now we have to style the input. So I should say right nav, and we can simply say no, form and input. Background should be transparent. Yes, now it's removed. There should be no border, none. Yes, border is also removed. Yes, we can say we can style this thing later, by the way, because it's the style on focus. uh, we should here on padding right, if I see, because for example if I am writing here, it's attached with it, because although we have padding from there, but the input but we will remove this thing. I think it don't matter, so we can leave that here. And yes, it's okay. We should, another thing, height should be 100%. How? Why is that? We can, let me do that thing again. Right nav, the focus border should be none. No, we still have, we can say outline should be none, also be none. Now yes, it's okay. Now we have this thing. Yes, see how I was not expecting this will be too easy. So now it's working. So we can add the margin bottom. We should add that from the top. We can say margin bottom should be 17 pixel. Yes, now it's okay. We can leave that thing here because as it is, one thing we can do, that we should add, it's I think it's overflowing. So if I see the the by the way, don't worry about that thing. We will the whole thing will be responsive, so we will add the responsiveness. So I think it's overflowing. We can I can observe that. Right nav, I should add background color red. I should observe that. Yes, it's overflowing. I think it's overflowing. So I should do one thing, right nav, and then if I have control that, how it's that, if I close that thing, it's the direct child image container. Yes, it should be the the first of all the image, and the width should be 100%. Yes, now it's okay. We can remove that now, the background color. Yes, now it's okay. So we should add the another thing. Checked. We can add the margin bottom, and that's the 17 pixel. Margin bottom 15 pixel. Now let's style this suggestion thing. Yes, it's okay. No issues so far. Please let me know if you see any issues. Please let me know, I will be very happy. So let's move to the suggestions. Yes, suggestions. Let's style that thing. Right nav, and then we have suggestions. First of all, if we see closely, we have a kind of border radius on that, and also the background color. So background color is we can say the dark 2, and border radius is 14 pixel. We can say that here we dark 2. Yes, dark 2, and then background should be dark 2, and border radius should be 14 pixel, and I think that's it. If I see that thing, yes, and the padding thing we can add that. Oh, border, that's why I say yes, border radius is working. Now if I see that high title thing, and the padding is 14 and 10 pixel, so I can add that. Right nav, suggestions, and then we have title. We can add padding. Top, it's I think 10 pixel. Yes, 10 and 14, 10 pixel, and from left and right it's 14 pixel. Yes, we can style this font size. We will copy that. Yes, it's working. There is the border bottom. What is that? It's it's 1 pixel, so we can say 1 pixel solid. Yes, it's working. Nice. So another thing, I think this should also be the variable. Dark 3, dark 3, where now we have this bottom thing and single suggestion. So first of all, I will copy. Well, I think we can do implement the styling on first, then we will copy paste further single suggestion. I have single suggestion. So first of all, there is padding, the top 10, and yes, it's the almost same. So I can say right nav, we have suggestions, we have single suggestion, and then I can say I'm thinking of another thing. The If we see, we have suggestion, then we have direct child title, then we have this thing. Yes, why not, instead of adding padding on all of them separately, we should add this thing, this yes, this padding. Instead of adding by title, we have to add in suggestion as well. Why not, I should add by this way, right nav, suggestions, and then I should say if there is the direct child, then you should add you can change this thing. So if I see that the padding should be yes, on all of them we have the padding by default. Now I think that's the good thing. So now we can style this thing, this single suggestion. It should be display flex, and it should be justify content. It should be space between. And first I think I should style this follow button. Then why it's not selecting? Yes, the width is 79, 80, we can say 80 pixel and 30 pixel height. So I should say suggestion, and then we have follow btn. We have maximum width. Instead of width we should add maximum width. And if I see, yes, I have that thing, but it's not we can close that. Why is it giving me the correct width? Yes, it is. Maybe because the size is too much. I can copy that thing. Background is transparent. Border radius is, how much border radius we have? Border radius of 100 pixel. Border radius is 100 pixel. And background color we have EC. Border 1 pixel solid. Sorry, where we have primary color. If I see now, no, how maximum width, why it's not working? Did I add the suggestion and follow btn? Oh, it should not be like that. Why? I thought why it's not working. Yes, now it's working. Yes, now I can copy that. We can remove these extra styles. Yes, now we have this thing. Yes, now the button is done. Now I can say the single suggestion, and then we have person details, right? So I should say suggestion, and then if we have person suggestion, its width should be flex 0 0, calculate 100% minus the top 80 pixel, we can say 90 pixel for now, and maximum width should be here, and width should be 100%. Yes, and we can also say display flex. Yes, now we have that thing. And this, the image container, and this simple div. The simple div have image containers. We can say margin right, suggestion, and that thing should be, and image should be, width should be 100%, and margin right, I think 10 pixel is enough. Yes, 10 pixel is enough. Now we have this name thing. I can say suggestion name display flex line item center. How we can style name font size. I can see that name the if I see the HTML behavior of the name, and then we have h6 suggestion, then we have name, and then we have h6. Yes, it's working. We have kind of it's not correctly, we have some kind of margin and 4, and also it's centered kind of. So we can say name, and then we have icon, right? And suggestion, then name, and then we have icon. I should say margin right, margin left 4 pixel. It should be display flex and align center. Let's see now. Yes, it is. We have should also add the margin bottom as well, but I don't think we need that. So now we can copy this thing. What is the, I think it's the username, name, and then we have username. Yes, we can say suggestion, we can say username. Yes, that's it. Twitter gray. Yes, that's it. And then we say the promoted thing. We have the margin here 10 pixel. We can say margin bottom 10 pixel. Yes, margin bottom 10 pixel. We have margin bottom 10 pixel. And then in the another feature, I think we can style this thing as well, the promoted thing. What we have in the promoted, we have icon and we have text. So in promoted, we first of all we should add suggestion, and then promoted we should add display flex, then it's display flex, and it's justify content. It's not justify content, it's not matter, align items center, and the icon in promoted we can copy that. I think instead of writing this, we can go here and say suggestion promoted icon, and here we can add the margin right 4 pixel. Hopefully it will work. So yes, it's working. Now let me style the the promoted thing. The promoted, it's not accurately promoted, what icon and then text. Suggestion promoted, and then we have text. Yes, and then we have this behavior. Yes, now it's nice, it's nice. I'm very happy. By the way, anyone is watching? No one is watching. I think I am facing the issue again. It's the internet issue, but still hopefully it will be. Please let me know if anyone is watching. Please also like the video, comment the view, because no one is liking, and no one is also commenting. Please do that, it will be a great favor for me. By the way, let's continue our project. I think we have achieved the 1 hour mark, but no problem, we will continue that. There is another thing, it's the, the margin bottom, uh, the border bottom. Yes, we have that thing, and for that I added that on the title as well, the border bottom. So instead of adding here, I should add here. Let's see, it should work. Yes, it is working, but uh, if it's the last child, then it should not be the bottom. So we can do that, we can say hopefully it will work. Last child, border bottom. Let's see. Yes, I like that. Now let's copy that HTML stuff, and so we can have like single suggestion, single suggestion. Yes, we have 3 of them. First of all, I think we don't have promoted on bottom 2. Yes, yes, it's okay now. I think I didn't style this show more. We can do that, not a problem. Show more, footer, suggestions. Oh, what exactly? I forgot that. Footer, and then we can copy paste this thing, and color should be, do we have this before? Yes, we have primary color. We can do that, primary color. Now this thing is also done. Show more thing. Let's see. Yes, although it's please, if anyone is here, please like the video. Also, if you are facing any issues, please let me know. If you are facing any issue, please let me know so I can fix that. Otherwise it's okay. Okay, now we have this thing as well. Also we are done with that. Now let's create, style this, the trends thing. We can do that as well. Yes, trends. We can create first the HTML stuff. We have trends, then we have trends title, we have this text. We can copy that, trends for you, span, text. Oh, why is that? We have this, and then we have span icon. We have setting icon. We can copy that, copy as svg. Yes, we have title, and then we have single trend. We can say that simple trend. Yes, and if I see, we have kind of first one is there is one promoted one. It's kind of different, but the default behavior is we have kind of region, then we have main trending heading, and then we have kind of how many tweets we have. So I can say country, region. First of all, there should be a region, and then we have this thing. Then we have hashtag h3 hashtag hashtag hashtag. Then we have this one, and then we have the how many tweets we have. So why it's not, yes, how many tweets, yes, we can copy that p, and that's it. If we see the HTML behavior, that's how it is looking, but we can style that. I think I should add this thing as well, because it is, it is different from them, so I should add that thing as well. I should say promoted trend, but with promoted trend, but with promoted we can say another class promoted, and we have here hashtag. We can copy that from the top, and then we have this details, class. Here we should have class number, tweets number, and then this promoted by them, we can say promoted by span icon. We can copy that thing, copy as svd. Anyone is watching and saying something? No, no one is watching. Please let me know if you are facing any issues. I will fix that. Otherwise, please let me know everything is okay, so I should be in peace. Please let me know. Just a single comment will be it will be best for me. I just want to know everything is okay on your side. Okay, and we can copy that. We did copy that, and then we have promoted by name, span text. Yes, we have that thing as well. Now we can style that, but yes, I can style, but I should add the this footer thing as well. Now we have suggestions, and in suggestions, how I did the style thing. I think we can do that for promotion as well. Right now, yes, we have background color. Then we have the margin bottom. Let me see if we have margin bottom. It's not adding the background color. Why is that? Let me check again. If I add that thing, is it here? Oh, it's because this one we don't have the comma. Yes, I should add the margin bottom. So I should add margin bottom. How much we have the bottom margin bottom? It's 17 pixel. Yes, I should add here margin bottom 17 pixel. Yes, that thing is fixed now. Yes, now we should add the these these borders as well. I can do that by here simply. We have this thing, it should be the comma. Now here we can do that thing as well. We can copy that thing, here, and it should be trends. Let's see. Yes, it is working. Now let's style this thing. So we can say the title. I think that thing we can also do, but let me try, hopefully. I think it's me. Maybe I see the title text we have test, so I want to style text only, so I will should say text. Is it working? No, it's not working. Oh, it's because we should have trends. Yes, it is working. Now in order to style that thing, I should add right nav trends. I should say display flex, justify content center, align items center. Another thing I am noticing, I am adding duplicate times the I should add here the span, and then if we have icon here, we should add by default display flex, justify content center, and another thing align items center. So it was the mistake I should do. Yes, it is working, but yeah, justify content center should not be like that. It should be justify content space between. Space between. Yes, it is done. Still concurrent views, it's showing one. Please, if you are watching, let me know if it's everything is okay, so I can I should be in peace. By the way, thank you if you are watching, no problem. uh, uh, we can do that thing. We can style that trends in country 11, and do we have this color before? Yes, we have, and I think I didn't create the variable for this. I should create that thing, but no problem, we can do that. What exactly are we are referring to here? Title is done, trend, and then we have region. Trend, then we have region. Oh, I should copy that. We have region, and then we can copy that. Sorry, I should copy basic styling from here, and then I should control D. We can cut that where it should be gray one, and I should create the CSS variable for that. Gray one. Oh. Yes, it is working. Yes, that's nice. margin. We also have margin, but we can do that later. This hashtag thing, what exactly I have to refer? h3 single trend hash. Oh, h3, we can add that thing. We should add margin 5 pixel, 0 pixel. Yes, it is working. We can do that thing as well. We have tweets, and I can see target them tweets number, trend, tweets number. Color should be this one. Yes, it's now done. Now let's style that thing. Another thing, the show more thing, we can do that by on the top. We have, yes, suggestion footer. Here we can also add suggestion trends footer. We can add the comma here. Yes, it's working now. Now let's style this thing. We have the p styling. Trend pro, I think, I hope so, it's promoted. So we have p, we can style that thing. We can copy the color. Yes, it's done now. Now we have this thing, this promoted by name. I think promote trend promoted, promoted by trend and promoted by. First of all, it should be display flex center. Yes, it's working now. I should style that thing, and we have margin 4. So if I copy that thing, and I should say trend promoted by, and then the text thing, and margin right, left 4 pixel. Yes, it's done now. Now I think side nav is done. If anything is remaining, yes, it's done. Almost we are done with 50%. Yes, 50%, we can say 50% is done. Yes, 50% is done. Now let's come to the main page. Let's see if anyone is watching or not. Yes, there is one person who is watching. Let's start the main thing. I have main. We can say the header thing. Stop, come here. Trends, suggestions. By the way, another thing I totally forgot, I should add more trends. One and two. Yes, now we have. Okay, now let's let's go to the main thing, and if I see we have here side, we can close this thing and we can close it. Main, in main we have header, main header, kind of icon, and span icon, and then we have header. We have name, then we have p, we can say main tweets. Yes, now I should copy that thing, the download, not copy, I should download that thing, the image. Yes, main image, it's the main image, and then we have the profile image. Downloads, and to profile, then I have main, cult, place here image, place here. Now if I see the preview of this thing, let's see how it is looking. Yes, we have the header. How strange is that? No problem, we can style that. Main header, we have main header, then we have how we will do that. If we have with the main image, and then we have this whole section, it is centered or not. For example, this image should be here, and then if I add the margin, and it should go to the top. It should be one child or not. I'm still thinking how I will do that. I have something in my mind. I will do that in a such a way. For example, there will be one main image container, and then we will have main image. Then in bottom we will add this this whole div where things by default it will have padding, and then we will give this thing, this profile image, the margin bottom negative. So let's see how it will work. Let's see. Let's do the some HTML stuff, and then main image, we have an image, we have image and main png, and then we have control z, and then we have what should be the name, profile actions. Profile actions, we have image container, we have image, add assets, profile png, and then we have these buttons. So I can say more icon, copy as svg, I should say instead of span I should say icon. There is another one, I should say we have that thing. Now we have the following button. So image container icon, we have button btn follow btn. Following, we are doing that. Now let's style this whole stuff. So if I see, yes, we have this kind of random stuff, but we will style that. Don't worry about that, we will style that. So if I come here, first of all let's style the the main header thing. Main header, I go here and style the main stuff, and we can say main, and then we have main header. I should say that first of all I think we have the border main, we have kind of border thing on left and right. Width is 1 pixel, and we have this color. Yes, we have dark 3. I should add border left. Do we have on top as well? No, we don't. So I say border left 1 pixel solid, where dark 3, border right. If I see the preview, yes, now we have border. Oh, it is overflowing, we can fix that. Now main header, we should first of all we should say display flex justify content, justify content, we can leave that, and align items should be yes. Now the icon thing I should add. Another thing, the by default should be the the general thing. Here it should be image, should be width 100%. Now that overflowing should be removed here. Yes, now it is removed. We will fix that thing. We will fix that. And now yes, we can do that later. Icon, we can do main header, and then I should say icon margin right, I should say 20 pixel. We have margin left as well, 22. We have top and bottom kind of padding as well. Yes, I should say padding. 2 pixel, and then here I should say 0 pixel, and then this thing. Yes, it's working now. Now let's style this this fonts. We have main header, and it should be the text. Let's see. No, it's h3. Main header h3. Then we have main header and p. Yes, now we are done with that. We also have this man. Now we should style this thing. How we can do that? Main header, main image. Now profile actions. Let's see, hopefully it should work. The thing I mentioned earlier, and now I should implement that thing. We can say profile actions and say display flex first of all, and justify content should be space between. Yes, yes, now it's working. Now I should this image contain nothing margin bottom. I should say profile actions image container margin bottom. It should be how much? What's the height of that thing? It's 134, and if we half that thing, it's 1 no 60 65 65. If I see 65 plus 65, how much is that? It's 130 pixel, so it's almost 67.5. yes, 67.5. margin bottom 67.5 pixel. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. If I add that, it's not working, man. Why is that? If I add that here, margin bottom minus 67 pixel. Oh, that's strange. What if I add transform translate y minus 67 pixel. Yes, it's done. It's done. By the way, it should have kind of padding from both sides, and it's the main. I think all of the main content have the padding, so we should add that here on the main. I should add padding. 0 pixel and 15 pixel. Oh, no, not on every child, because we don't have hair, so we can add that thing here. Instead of 67 pixel, why not I should add minus 50%. Yes, now it's, I think, okay. Now let's style the follower, this button. So instead of by styling that thing, I should add icon. I should add into actions, and then the action thing should set display flex file actions. By the way, is it the height? Yes, I think actions display flex. styling. Follow button, follow button, follow button. How much follow button? How much width we have? We have width of 105 and height is 40 pixel. Should add maximum width here. We should add background color is primary one, and what is the border radius? Border radius is 100 pixel, and we have this styling as well. I can copy that. See the styling here. Oh, it's not. Why is that? Why is that? Why is that? Follow button, follow button. It should work. Let's see. What exactly is happening here? Oh, if I say flex one, justify content, flex end. Why the height is too much? Oh, it's because of that thing. No, it should not be like that as well. Yes, flex start now. Yes, 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 yes. I should add profile actions here. The flex start thing, profile actions, and then in image container we don't have anything to say. In actions I should add this thing. By the way, if I remove them, let's see how it will look like. Yeah, too close. Yes, everything is okay. By the way, anyone is watching? No one is watching now, but please let me know if you see any issues. I have total 7 views, but no problem. But any of you, please let me know if you see any issues. We are into the 1 hour and 43 minutes, but no problem, we can do that. Please let me know if you see any issues within this stream. So now let's start the coding thing. Now we have flex end as well. Now let's start this thing. Margin, we have kind of width of 40 pixel. Span, border radius 50%. Then we have border, we have 1 pixel. Solid, we have var, and then we have primary color. Let's see. Yes, it's working. Now we should add margin 0 and 15 pixel. I think it's too much. It's yes, now it's okay. Yes, now it's okay. And the cursor should be pointer. Yes, yes. Now we have this thing. I think another thing, this the top nav should be sticky, the top header. So I should say not this header. I think the overall main should be sticky. Let's see if I start position sticky. top 0. Let's see how it will look like. No, 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 no. I think we should add that thing in the main header. I got it. What's the problem? I should add, the body bg background, body bg, and also I should add z index should be 2, and I think that's it. Yes, if we are scrolling, that thing is on the top of that. Yes. Now let's come to the down part. We can do that. This thing. By the way, what if the issue I am seeing? Hopefully it should not be. Yes, it is here. Because it's taking that much space. We are what if I, instead of this thing, main, how we can do that thing? Profile actions, and we have that thing. If I say position absolute, yes, position relative, and then we have position absolute. I should say top minus translate minus 50%. Yes. Now it's not taking that much space. I think I did it. Main header, main image. Now we have, and then this thing. Hopefully it will not disturb us in future. Let's see. We can go by this thing. We have profile actions. We can comment that thing. We can say here, and we should also have to add profile actions. Now position relative. Let's see. Yes, now let's start this. The bottom part, we have profile details. Profile details. Name, first of all, there we have name, we have the name, then we have p, and we can also say the detail. Then we have these what we can say to that thing. uh, we can say social links or social details, because birthday, the website, the city, it will be like social details, social links. First of all, we have location, we have span, and then icon. Span, it's span or span? I think it's span. Yes, span. Copy as svd. Yes. By the way, anyone is watching or having some issues? No, no one is watching or having some issues. Please let me know if you see any issues. We are almost into our marks, but no problem. Location, where is that? I totally forgot where I was. Yeah, here I am. So we have location, and then we have span text. It should be. Yes, we can copy that. We have here, and then we can copy that thing. We have the website. First of all, I think I should copy that thing. We have website, then we have this icon, copy as svd. We have website, by the way, it should be link, so we should add that, website.com. And then we have this another location where we have date, so I will add that here. Date of birth, DOB. Then we have this icon, the calendar one, copy as svd. Yes, we have this thing. If I see that, yes, we have all of them, but we will style them. And then we have following details, so we can say, let's complete the the HTML content, then we will style that thing. Profile details, social links, then I can say followers, following. We have followers, and then we have span number, I should say 398. Span text, then we have following. Following, we have number, followers. We have followers. I think I write the opposite, it should be on top. Now we have this thing as well, we can style that. Let's copy the this last thing, and then we will move move to the further thing. This I think I can download this thing group. I think I can download this thing as an image. Downloads. Yes. Yes. Now we have text. Yes, text. We should add another line. What it should be? It should be other followers. Followers. Any followed by other not by followed by the image container image, and then we have text. P. Yes. Oh, that's strange, but no problem. We will style that. We will style that. Now let's start by this thing. We should have I think it's no, it should be 15 pixel. It was 15. Yes, it was 15. We have top and bottom padding, and then we can add style this stuff, and profile details, title, and h3 we have. Then we have P. Then we have P, and the P stylings are we should have here gray one. Yes, it is done. Now the margin bottom should be 9 pixel. The title, margin bottom 10 pixel. Yes, now we have this P. Is it the direct child? Yes. Profile details, direct P. Yes, it is done now. The margin bottom should be another 10 pixel. Yes, we have this thing now. this thing, this whole thing. If I go to head, we have title, we are done with B, and we have social links. So social links should be social links, it should be display flex, then it should be justify content space between, and another thing flex what is that, wrap, and another thing profile details, social links, and the direct childs should be margin right. How margin we have, how much, 20 pixel, and these are also let's see how it will look like. Why the margin is too much? Because I added this thing. Yes, now it's okay. By the way, how much time? It's all, no, it's not. It's, yes, it's almost 2 hours. That's why I'm feeling some. Oh, it was my first time, so I'm feeling a little bit not uncomfortable. You can say I'm exhaust, but I will try to, I will try to push my limits. No problem. I will complete this whole stuff, hopefully in one go. So if I see now, if we style that stuff, the social links, and then we have kind of one is icon excuse me, icons, and then we have text. Our text is this type and icon is this type. So if I select this thing, profile details, and then I go to the text, gray. By the way, if text contains, the A, then that color is different. A, that color is different. Primary color. Let's see. Yes, it's done. By the way, we should add the margin right, left, 5 pixel or 3 pixel, 3 pixel. 3, 5. I think 5 would be good. Yes, we have 5. Margin bottom, 10 pixel. Yes, now we have followers thing. It should be display flags and that kind of stuff. Social links are done, followers following. I think we can do that here. And also yes, the margin is not here. Why is that? Because the space is not, and the comma is not missing. Yes, now let's style that thing. Is this one. We have following and then number, following or number and text. First of all, I should paste here, and then I should copy that thing, this one, because yes, we have text. I think text. Yes, no, it's number, that is bold. Number. Yes, now we are okay with that. Let's see. Yes, it's right. Now we have this thing. We should add. We have I think there is, we can copy that, and we should just add text, because the only difference between this and this is font weight, so we can copy that thing, but I think color is also different. We can remove that thing. We can change the font weight to 400 and color to gray one. Let's see. Yes, it's working. We can also add the margin right, margin left 5 pixel. Yes, we are so far so good. Yes, we can now do this thing. Followed by, I think we have followed by profile details, followed by, and then we can say display flex, align items center, and then file details, followed by, then what is this? We have P. Margin left is 5 pixel. Color should be gray one. Let's see. Yes, no, I think I'm targeting the road thing. Maybe some mistake here. Followed by, follow by. Here I write followed by. Yes, now it's done. I think we can now do this thing. It's kind of looking like tabs, so we'll do that thing. We have followed by, and then file details. Tabs, button, single, btn, and then we have tab. We have active class as well. Tweets. That's the strange thing. We don't have, it's not kind of btn. We should add padding. Yes, padding. It's not btn, so let's remove the btn thing. Simple, just div thing, and there should be no btn. We have tweets. I can copy that tweet, and then I have another. Yes, tweets and replies. What about that? Media. Media. And then I have likes. Yes, we have list of this thing. We can do that. Style. Let's style that thing. And after that, almost we are done. We almost we're complete. Almost we're complete. Yes, yes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Anyone is watching? Uh, Please let me know if you see any issues. For now, no one is watching, I think. But if you see any issues, let me know. Please let me know. I should add. Yes. You can please let me know if you are facing some issues. Let me know. I just created the poll as well. If you don't want to comment, you can just let me know you are watching, yes, no, or just maybe later. So it will actually, I just want to know just one comment. Everything is okay, no, voice is okay, video is okay, and you are understanding. So that's why. So let's start the this coding part. We are almost, side nav is done, right nav bar is also done, main part is also we can say 75% is done. We are here. Tweets. Let's start the tweets thing. And tab. Let's start that thing. First of all, it should be display flex and line items. We have modern bottom. It's in dark 3. Border bottom 1 pixel solid. We have this thing. Now let's go to the single tag. We can style that. Padding, if I see from left, 40 pixel. 15 pixel. Yes, let's style that thing. First of all, let's style this text, and then we will go to the further. Color is gray one. We are using the CSS variable. That's easy. Yes. Now the active one should have the border and that stuff. Color should be border bottom should be 2 pixel solid, where primary color. Let's see how it's looking. Yes, it's looking nice. We can add border bottom here as well, so we can add the 2 pixel solid transparent. On hover we should add this thing. Yes, cursor should be pointer, and another thing, transition, so there should be smoothness 0.3 second. Yes, looking nice. I was not expecting that. Yes, it's working fine. Now let's come to the last part of this thing. Anyone is watching? No one, no one, no one. Yes, concurrent, there is one person watching right now, but can you please let me know the voice is clear, the audio is clear, the video is clear, so I should be in peace of mind. Actually, it's the first time, that's why I'm asking, so we don't have any issues. Please let me know, I will be very thankful. So now let's start the this thing, the Twitter part, single Twitter. We can say in here, we can say now we have tweets. Yes, list of tweets. Then we have single tweet. Yes, single tweet. And in single tweet we have two things. One is the image container and other is the tweet details. So we can say image container. I think we should download this as well. First of all, let's download the tweet. It's kind of profile image, but let's download this thing. Preview, we are downloading, and then this tweet image as well. Export and export. So first of all, let's put them here. I should say tweet profile and tweet. Got that and paste here. Now image container and image, we have image and its tweet profile. That's it. Tweet details. Now we have name, time and username. No issues so far. I think it's okay. I'm assuming that audio and video are clear. Okay, let's start this thing. This single tweet details. We have header, tweet headers. We can say the name, username, then we have the time. We have time. Now tweet header is done, then we can say if we have the tweet text. tweet text, we have tweet text, then we have tweet image, tweet image, image, we have image, and then we have tweet png. Yes, yes, it's working, it's working. We can add tweet actions. Tweet actions, I can say icons, and then span icon with first is comment, I think comment. I can paste that thing, copy, then I would say comment, then I would say retweet. Oh, I should copy that. 2, 3, 4. I think I made the mistake because we have the numbers as well. So instead of adding that, we should add kind of this style, action, and then we can add the name, comment, and then we have span, text, and span icon. Although the text is sometimes empty, but we can leave that here. We can cut, and we have icon. So that's it. Yes, now that will be okay. So now we have single action, and yes, we can paste that thing. Let's copy the this copy as svg. It's the retweet, retweet, we have like, these two number, we can copy that and just write this thing. And then we have last one, I think it's the bookmark. I don't remember what was the icon. It's kind of, I think, save for download. Copy as svg. Yes. Now if we see the preview, yes, here it is. Now let's style that thing. Anyone is watching? There is one person is watching. Please let me know if everything is okay. Please. Now let's style that thing. Single tweet. We can simply copy paste some of them. There should be single tweet, and then we have single tweet. Now we have tweets. Where I am, I was lost somewhere. tweets, we have tweets, and if I say we have, first of all, it's the display flex, right? its tweets and single tweet. Then we have single tweet, single tweet, single. We can leave that for now. Tweets, single tweet. It is display flex, and also it has kind of padding top and bottom. Padding 5 pixel, 0 pixel, and no, not 0 pixel, 15 pixel, and it should be 10 pixel. And then we have, I would say, border bottom 1 pixel solid. Control Z. What is the color of that thing? I think it's the dark 3. Where dark 3, let's see. Yes, nice, it's looking nice. Now let's style this, the header thing. I think it's called tweet header, single tweet, and then we have, first of all, tweet details, then tweet header. Display flex, align items should be centered. Let's see how it is looking. Yes, it's looking okay. I think the image is, this image is too small. So how much is there? 4949. So if I say single tweet, image container width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel. Let's see why it's not taking this space. It's not taking the width. Why is that? We can do that other way. We have other ways. Let's say flex 0 0 50 pixel, maximum width 50 pixel, width 100%. We have our own ways, man. Yes, we have our own ways. I will also add margin 10 pixel margin, right, 10 pixel. Yes. No, let's style that thing. Tweet header, line item, and then we have now tweet header. We have name, username, and time. Name, what's the color and style? Let's copy that. Header, username, let's copy that. Then we have tweet header, and then we have time. There is one missing, the color one. Color should be gray one, and let's copy that. By the way, don't think I am just, I remember these colors because we are live streaming since the last you can say the 2 hours and 30 minutes, that's why. And we also created the CSS variable, so that's why I remember them. I'm just building this from now. I didn't build this tweet this clone before, so I'm just going with the flow. So you can guys learn from my mistakes, from my technique. If you like the technique, and if you are enjoying this video, please like the video and comment, so it will be best for me. And if you have any issues, please let me know the issues as well, so I can improve them in future live streams. So we have this thing. Yes, it's I think we should add the margins as well. In order to do that, I think I should add this thing, tweet header. Why is that? Then if we have div margin right 5, 3 pixel is enough, I think. Yes, 3 pixel is enough. Now what is that? The tweet text. Margin bottom 5 pixel. Each text should also have, but that is 10 pixel. Yes, 10 pixel. Now let's style this thing. Let's see. Is there anyone? Did I get some feedback? No, I didn't get the feedback. Or no problem. I think there is too much delay. I don't know, it's because of my side. I think there is the internet issues. Are we having some problems? No, it's okay. It is delaying, but I think it's working. I can see I am facing the internet issues, so in future streams I will try to improve this the internet issues. I will. So now let's let's change style this thing. We have tweet, single tweet, and now we have tweet actions. Space between and align item should be center. Let's see. Yes, it's working. Now I should add display action. We have align item center. Yes, it's done. It's done. Almost done. We are almost done. And then just I have to style the this text, and we are almost done. So tweet actions, and then we have this thing. Tweet action, then we have text. Color is gray, and also its margin left 2 pixel. It should be 5 pixel. Yes, I think we add the some kind of margin from the top as well. Yes, padding top 13 pixel. Now is everything is okay. Another thing, I think it should be the cursor, not the the single dimension, should be cursor. Now I can see the the responsive part is the desktop version is done. If I zoom in, zoom out, it will be like that. And now we will create the the responsive version for that. For responsive version, I think I should hide first of all, let's go where we are facing the issue. hmm. First of all, in container I should add the by default there should be some padding. Instead of 232 pixel, I should add here 192 pixel. Why, I will let you know. And I should add padding 0 and 20 pixel from left and right. So now here we have the padding. So now we are facing the you can say the issues here. So here, what exactly the width of is that is now, if I see we have 1130 pixel, right? So I can say 1130 pixel. I can hide this this right nav bar. I will say media queries. How I can select that this whole thing right nav. I can copy that and I should say maximum width media, maximum width is 1130 pixel, and then it should be display. And yes, it is done, but now we should expand this thing as well. So I should where is that aside, we have main. So let's flex 0 0 calculate 100% minus 250 pixel, 250 pixel, and maximum width should be calculate 100% minus 250 pixel. Let's see. Yes, 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 we have this kind of behavior. Let's see. Now we can go, I think we can go to here at 34 pixel. Now we can, I think if we can add here one thing, it's called I am what, break all, break word. How I remember the property, it's called white space. Yes, white space no wrap. It will create that thing if I do that. I think here I should 769 pixel we can hide this thing. Let's see. I'm thinking of another way. Let's go to the 769 pixel. 769 pixel. The this, first of all let's select the left nav. I want facing some issue. Let me check why is it is disconnected. I think we are live. We are live. Yes, we are live. Please let me know. Please let me know if you are seeing any issues. Actually, it's the first time, so I'm trying to set up the things as much as I can. So if there is major issue, please let me know. So we are here, right? So left nav, it should be maximum, the width should be maximum width should be 50 pixel, right? So let's see how it will look like. Our flow should be hidden. And it should be hidden. This should be hidden. Oh, navbdn. Display none. Yes, we have this kind of behavior. And another thing, I am, instead of adding that, this this border radius 100 pixel, nav links a should be border radius of border radius should be 50%. Oh, why is creating some problems? Display block. Oh, that's strange, man. Instead of I think instead of adding that, this display none, I should add this thing. Let's do and we should not have the padding, and we should not how we can do that. What if I add huh, I'm confused. We have padding, we have padding, we have hair padding, right? We have padding on each of it. I think I should remove the padding 0 and then icon should be, let's see how it's looking now. hmm. Why is actually it's not why it's on top, it's not looking nice. Let's cut that thing. It's looking very 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 strange. Yes, I think now it's okay. I should have fixed this somehow, this this hover effect somehow, because that's what creating the problems. First of all I should remove we have display flex thing. uh, by the way, if you are listening the noise, it's actually it's not my fault. The neighbor started again, although it's early in the morning, not too early. It's 9:30 a.m. So sorry about that. I will try to do I will try to fix this thing as well if I able to. So bear with me. I think we can, maybe we can, hmm, maybe we can reduce the border radius, because otherwise there is no choice. 10 pixel, that's where the this if I remove border radius, yes, I think now it's okay. Somehow we can add small border radius. We can add some rounded corners, 5 pixels. Yes, I think that's okay. So now let's fix this thing. We have 40 pixel overflow, and if I remove this overflow as well, now we are okay with that. And now I should, this main should be 40 pixel. If I see 40 pixels, it should have the margin. Left nav should have margin right, no, right, 20 pixel. Yes, it is present. Now we have this thing. Margin right, margin right, 20 pixel. Yes, it's okay, it's okay. Now let's style. We are in the 732 here. Now we are having not too much issues. We can, by the way, no one is replying. Please let me know if the voice is too much. Really sorry about that. Actually it's not the neighbors, they are doing some constructions. Sorry about that. So now let's wrap up things. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. One thing is having problems. What should we do? Can we remove the sidebar, this thing as well, or first of all we can take care of these buttons later. Let me try from the top. First of all, I think I should add here this actions, profile actions. It's the, what is the width of it? I can add the another media query at 600 pixel. 600 pixel. Pixels, and I can say that this, copy that, it should be flex wrap and wrap. Do that, and then I should say here this location thing. Social links, flex app we already have, and then I can select that thing. I should add margin bottom 10 pixel. Yes, we have now that. And another thing we can fix here, if I go more down here, I think at 600 pixel I should remove these tabs as well, because they will create the problems. Yes, display none. Yes, now we have this thing, and it's not everything okay. We can say it should be in profile action, not in the actions, the flex wrap thing. Now if I go here, man, you should add that. What if I add profile action? What if I add display block? Oh man, image. I just want to remove them at the start, and justify content, flex start, and we can that thing to the 100%. I think that will be the only one chance. Yes, this thing should be actions should be justify content, flex start, and then the image container thing. It should be transform translate y minus 100%, Yes, now here it is on the top, and if I come here, everything seems okay to me. Now here I think we should remove the side nav at that stage, at 400 pixel. We should remove that and we should say 100% that man bar. Ah, now at media query, maximum width 400 pixel, and then that thing display none, and we should have this main, it should be 100%. And now we have container, the container width padding should be padding 0 pixel and 5 pixel, so we have almost everything here. Now yes, I think that's the enough. Yes, we have responsive now. If I try on different devices, here it is the S1, iPhone SE, here we have okay. Now if I have a 12 Pro, everything seems okay. Now Samsung Galaxy, iPad mini we have. I think that's it. So that was almost we did that thing in 3 hours. It was the first time, so please, I tried my best to think to clarify things as much as I can, but the good news is thing is not completely done. I will pause the live stream here because I will build the React version as well. Now we will try to convert this whole thing to the React, and then in another maybe today or tomorrow we will convert that thing into Vuejs as well. So you guys can learn that thing as well, because mostly in beginners made the mistakes, they think in React or Vue things style will be automatically styles will be implemented automatically, but if you don't know the basics of CSS, you won't be able to create layouts in React or Vue.js. So that's why I will try to cover all three stacks. First I will try to create things in HTML CSS, so you know how to style things. Then we can move to the React part, so how we can create the components, how we can structure the things in ReactJS, and then also in Vue.js how we can structure the whole things. So that will be our flow, our live stream flows. So hopefully, and now I will pause this whole thing because I want to have my breakfast and also some rest. So I will be back within maybe maximum 30 minutes. It will take 30 minutes to me. So till that time, I'm not sure I will end the stream or just pause here. I think I will end this stream and I will create the another stream for React version. Thank you very much. Bye bye.